guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make tiny pom-poms using a fork. We're going to start by cutting a long piece of yarn that we're going to place in the middle of our fork before we begin wrapping around. So just grab your long piece that you just cut and place it in the middle. Now we're going to start wrapping around our fork to make our pom-poms. So grab your yarn and hold the strand in place, the one that you just placed before, and start wrapping around your fork. So keep wrapping. And we're just gonna continue to do that back and forth. So now I'm going back. Keep going back and forth. I believe I did a total of 4 or 5 for mine, and that made a decent size pom. Cut your yarn, and with the previous strand that we placed at the beginning, we are going to tie our pom-pom. Make sure you make a really tight knot when tying your pom. So just pull really tight. Now that we secure our pom in place, we're just going to release it away from our fork and start cutting around our pom. Make sure your pair of scissors are really sharp. So just keep cutting. And now we're going to do the other side. Okay, I have my pom-pom here and I'm just gonna trim it with my scissors. So just try to make it pretty and trim until you feel like your pom is looking good. Here's your pom-pom, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.